It's Tuesday morning, back at the gym in the QAS, and this is what I love about coming to the QAS. The fact that there is no one around. No one doing bicep curls. That's one thing you will not see here, people doing bicep curls. Because athletes realize it's the most pointless exercise. It's Tuesday afternoon, got some shot put, high jump and javelin just like last week. So again, I was caught out. I thought I was gonna feel good. I thought it was gonna be all sweet and I was gonna have an awesome session, but I had no legs for shot put. High jump was better than last week because last week I barely got over 190 and today I actually cleared 2. And I was actually able to stay away from the bar and hold my takeoff a little bit better. So high jump was better, but javelin was worse. And I kept dropping my arm, dropping my elbow, instead of keeping it up and hitting it through the point. So there was a bit of give and take. Today is Thursday, and we have got discus and pole vault again, which is going to be good, because I'll be able to get back on that pole that I was on last week, the 16 foot, and hopefully improve a couple things. What's wrong? So this is the neighbour's cat, who the whole street loves. And when she comes over, you just pat her for a couple minutes and then you're on your way. Do you want to come in? She is coming in. So every now and then, Revive Ashgrove, which is the physio that I'm sponsored by, they put on some seminars, and it can be anything from nutrition to self-massage. Today is psychology, which is going to be really interesting because you know, everyone suffers from injuries, and I've suffered quite a bit lately, and a lot of it is going to be how to overcome all that and how to get back on the bandwagon. The seminar was really good, except I was so tired from training this morning that I actually could not concentrate. I could not pay attention, and I ended up sleeping for a little bit.